Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the Leetcode question number 130, surrounded regions. The question is, you are given an M cross N matrix board containing letters X and O. Capture regions that are surrounded. A region is represented by O cells. A region can be captured if it is surrounded by X on all four sides. A surrounded region is captured by replacing all O's with X in the input matrix board. We are given an example here. In this matrix, we have two regions. One is these three O's and the other region is this single O. If you see this region is not surrounded by X on all four sides. So this region cannot be captured. But if you take this region, it is surrounded by X on all four sides. So this region can be captured. So we are replacing all O's with X in this region and we are returning this as our output. And we have another example given here. In this board, there is no region, so we are returning as it is as X. I hope the question is clear. Now let's see the approach how we can solve this problem. Let's take an example of this matrix which has two regions. The first region is these two O's and the second region is this single O. We will do the depth first search on the first column and the last column and the first row and the last row. That is, we will do the depth first search on the first column, last row, last column and the first row. We will check if any one of this cell has a value O. We have one cell which have the value O. We will mark visited as an empty set in order to remove the duplicates. We have one cell as O. We will add this cell to our visited list. Now we will traverse on all four sides. We will traverse if the cell is not visited and the board has the value O. In this particular case, we cannot traverse down because we don't have any cell. So we will traverse on all three sides. We have one cell at the top which is not visited and the board has the value O. We will mark this cell as visited. Now we will traverse all four sides again. We have X in three sides and the bottom cell is already visited. Now we cannot traverse any further, so we will stop our depth first search at this point and we will see if we have any cell which is not visited and has the value O. We have one cell which is not visited and has the value O. So this region can be captured. Now we will mark this cell as X and we will return this matrix. I hope the approach is clear. Now let's see the implementation. We will implement this approach. First, we will declare the variable visited as our set. Visited equals to a set. We will define the depth first search function. For this depth first search function, we will get two arguments, row and the column. Define DFS as row, column. We will iterate if the row and the column are within the board. If r greater than or equal to 0 and r less than length of the board and column greater than or equal to 0 and column less than the length of the board's first column, board of 0. The next condition is we will iterate only if the cell is not visited and R, C not in visited, and we will iterate only when the board has the value 0 and board R of C not equal to X. If any one of this cell satisfies all these four conditions, we will first append this to visited set. Visited dot append of R comma C. For the set, we have to use add instead of append. Let me change this. Add. Now we will do depth first search on all four sides. DFS of R comma C plus 1, R comma C minus 1, R minus 1 comma C, and R plus 1 comma C. If it doesn't satisfy any of these conditions, we will just return none. Else return none. Now we will do the depth first search on the first column and the last column. For I in range of length of board DFS of I comma 0, which is the first column, DFS of I comma length of board of 0 minus 1, which is the last column. Similarly, we will do depth first search on the first row and the last row. For I in range of length of board of 0, DFS of 0 comma I and DFS of length of board minus 1 comma I. We are doing the depth first search on the first row and the last row. Once we have iterated the first row and the last row and the first column and the last column, we will see if any of the other cells has the value O and it is not visited. We will change the cell from O to X. For I in range of length of board, we are iterating over the row. For J in range of length of board of 0, we are iterating over the column. We will check if the cell has the value O and it is not visited. If board of I of j equals to O and I comma j not in visited, we will just change it to X. Board of I of j equals to X. That's pretty much it. We don't have to return anything since it is mentioned as none. We will just submit it. Let's correct the typo. It is add. Now let's submit it. The solution got accepted. Here is the complete program. I hope you like this approach and I'm sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I will see you in yet another interesting Leetcode interview question. Thank you.